to kiss me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present a story of Islamic civilization during the Khulafaur Rashidin. What is Khulafaur Rashidin? Khulafaur Rashidin means intellectual successor of the Prophet. Khulafaur Rashidin are the successful leader of Rasulullah in managing the life of mankind who are far with intelligent, always carry of their duties correctly and always resist criticism from Allah. Duties of the Caliphate. I1. Acknowledging the leadership of the Prophet Muhammad in state matter, namely as head of state or head of government and religious leader. And 2. Regulate the life of its people to crave proper food, just, prosperous, safe, and secure life. The Khulafaur Rashidin lasts for 29 years from 632 Masehi until 661 Masehi. 1. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq 632 Masehi until 634 Masehi. Abu Bakr as-Siddiq was the first caliph of the Prophet. The conflict that occurred during the time of Abu Bakr as-Siddiq was the emergence of false prophet, rebellion between Muslims to the election of the caliph, and rebellion by Muslims who were reluctant to pay zakat. Abu Bakr assessment during his time as caliph were eradication first your prophet and people who did not pay zakat, codifying the Quran and sending Usama bin Zaid to Syria. Caliph Abu Bakr as-Siddiq did end 22 Jumadis Thaniya 13 Hijriah. Umar bin Khattab 636 Masehi until 644 Masehi. Umar bin Khattab became the second caliph after being questioned by Abu Bakr as-Siddiq when he fled in and was about to die. During the reign of Umar bin Khattab, there was an expansion of the conquered territories to Islam. The formation of the parliament is various areas of his power and the payment of tax. Umar bin Khattab assessment include a territorial expansion, administrative reform, establishment of the Hijri calendar, establishment of the Baitul Mal, legal and justice reform, statutory development, establishment of security forces, attention to people welfare, religious leadership policy, and assessment of knowledge. Caliph Umar bin Khattab ended his reign after being killed by Abu Lu'lu'ah. Utsman bin Affan 644 Masehi until 656 Masehi. Utsman bin Affan was the third caliph who was questioned in the appointment, namely took the Shura body formed by Umar before his death. During the caliphate of Uthman, Islam experienced territorial expansion in Egypt and Iraq, as well as the compilation of the Quran. However, there was a revolution caused by policies that were considered nepotism, distinguished the murder of Uthman bin Affan in 35 Hijriah or 656 Masehi. The that Uthman bin Affan did during his time as caliph included: 1. Conquering Syria and appointing Muawiyah as its governor, and 2. Conquering North Africa and appointing Amr bin As as governor there, and 3. Conquering the Aryan and Persia regions, and 4. Conquering Khorasan and Nashabur in Iran, and 5. Conquering Qobrus or Cyprus by bringing his troops across the ocean. She expanded the Nabawi Mosque, Medina, and the Grand Mosque, Mecca, because more and more Muslims were carrying out the fifth pillar of Islam. And seven, building a special building for the court and castle that were previously carried out in the mosque. 8. Building agriculture. And C. And 9. Writing down and formalizing a Musaf called the Usmani Musaf, which is which is in the Holy Book of the Quran, which is used by all Muslims throughout the world today. Caliph Osman was left coverage of this Quran and distributed them to Caliphate Islamic religions. Usman bin Affan died on the 18th of Dhul-Hijjah 35 Masai. He was killed while reading the Quran in his house. Ali bin Abi Thalib, 650 and 656 Masehi until 660 Masehi. Ali bin Abi Thalib was the fourth caliph after the election of Uthman bin Affan. Ali bin Abi Thalib was born as a caliph after the killing of Uthman. During the reign of Ali bin Abi Thalib, there was a war between Muawiyah, Talha, and Asya, which was as be the murder of Uthman, the man for revenge and struggle for power. The way several major was during the reign of Ali bin Abi Thalib. And 1. The Battle of Jamal. The Battle of Jamal, also known as the Jamal Battle, took place between the forces of Ali bin Abi Thalib and the force of Asya, with Aisha, Talha, and Zubair and Basra. This war was caused by difference of opinion about the resolution of the murder of Osman bin Affan. And 2. Siffin War. 657 Masai. The Siffin War took place between Ali bin Abi Thalib troops and Muawiyah troops in Siffin, Iraq. This war was caused by Muawiyah complaint about the irregularities in resolving the murder case of Uthman bin Affan. And 3. The Battle of Nahrawan. 658 Masai. The Battle of Nahrawan took place between Ali bin Abi Thalib troops and the Khawarij troops in Nahrawan, Iraq. This war was caused by difference of opinion about the resolution of the murder of Uthman bin Affan and Ali role in the resolution. Ali bin Abi Thalib was killed in 661 Masehi or 40 Hijriah in Kufa, Iraq. Ali bin Abi Thalib was killed by Abdurrahman bin Muljam, a member of the Khawarij group, while performing the trumpet on the Kufa mosque. Contribution of Khulafa Rashidin in Muslim civilization. The Americanization of Thought movement in Islam. The Thought movement died short during the time of Khulafa Rashidin, 1. Mind-mapping the integrity of the Quran al-Karim and collection in the form of a mushaf during the time of Abu Bakr. And 2. Implementing the standard mushaf during the time of Uthman bin Affan. And 3. The seriousness in seeking and teaching knowledge and fighting the Islamic ignorance of the country population. And 4. Thus the required need dispersion between da'wah and the state. Thank you.